Yeah, my dear friend. So now this number, 7-digit number is divisible by 12. If you just go through the videos, what are we given you long back, okay. So guys, what is divisibility rule for 12 is the number must be divided by 3 and the number must be divided by 4. Then only the number is divided by 12. What is divisible by 3 rule? Divisible by 3 or divisible by 9 rule is sum of digits must be divided by 3 or sum of digits must be divided by 9. Divisibility rule for 3 and 9 is sum of digits we have to focus. Whereas divisibility by 4, we have to focus on last two digits, my dear friends. We have to check, okay, whether what are the number they given, whether last two digits is divided by 4 or not. In that big number, we have to focus on last two digits. Now see this question, my dear friend. They're asking what is the smallest value of a plus b. A plus b minimum value you need to find, and this number is divisible by 12. Divisible by 12, just now I mentioned you have to satisfy divisible by 3 and divisible by 4 rule, both. Okay. So everyone, those who are on the session, kindly try to rename yourself with the roll number. Rachana, Bhavi, and somebody with the name caller. Okay, rename yourself with your roll number with along with your name, fine, or else roll number alone is also okay, no problem. So guys, what is the answer for this? You can use the chat box to respond with your answers. I just now, okay, if you not attend for the previous sessions also, I'm just giving you here what you have to decide is divisible by 12 rule is you should check the number is divided by 3. You should check the number is divided by 4. Is it divided by 3 or 4? We have to check. You kindly note down the question. Once physical classes are resumed, we'll check all your notes regarding this content. Kindly note down the question as well. 7-digit number is divisible by 12. 7-digit number divisible by 12. Minimum value of A and B you have to find. Yes, what is the answer, my dear friends? You kindly be in mute mode. You can use the chat box to respond with your answers. I'm showing you here divisibility by 12 rule. It should be divided by 3, it should be divided by 4. Divisibility by 4, we have to take last two digits. Last two digits is nothing but 2b, right? Okay, 2b, last two digits. Last two digits we can consider. Okay, for divisible by 4, last two digits is sufficient, right? So last two digits are nothing but 2b. It is divided by 4. It should be divided by 4. Means b minimum value is 0. If b is 0, it is 20. 20 is divided by 4. You need a smallest value of a plus b, right? A plus b smallest value you have to find. Okay, I have to take minimum value for b. So b minimum is nothing but 0. This is regarding divisibility by 4. If you want to check the number is divided by 4 or not, what are the big number it might be? Okay, we should check last two digits, my dear friends. Okay, last two digits here is 2b. They're asking minimum value or smallest value of a and b. So b minimum is nothing but 0. Next, divisible by 3 rule. If you want to check divisible by 3 rule, sum of digits we have to go. For divisible by 3 rule, we should go with sum of digits. So guys, if you do sum of all those digits, 7 plus 1 plus 5, 13, and along with this 4 and 2, 6, 19. 19 plus a, b value already 0. 19 plus a should be divided by 3. See, divisible by 3 rule is nothing but sum of digits, my dear friends. We should see sum of digits is divided by 3 or not. Right. Now here, yes, okay, a plus b minimum, divide by 3, divide by 4, divide by 3 we already done. We verified, okay, divide by 4. If you want to check, yes, we checked out and we finalized b minimum must be 0 to satisfy that. So divide by 4 is completed. Now divide by 3 as per divisibility by 3, what should be a value minimum so that it's divided by 3 is a should be 2. 21, total it is 21, 19 plus 2, 21. 21 is divided by 3. So a minimum must be equal to 2. B minimum is 0. Sir, why A minimum 2? So if this is 2, this become 21. 21 is divided by 3. If sum of digits is divided by 3, then the entire number is divided by 3, my dear friends. We should check sum of digits is divided by 3 or not. Yes, here sum of digits is divided by 3. So the entire number is definitely divided by 3. So A minimum is 2, B minimum is 0. A plus B must be equal to 2, my dear friends. They're asking smallest value of A and B. Yes, when you add A and B, okay, A plus B value, we got it like 2, my dear friends. So again, I'm alerting everyone, kindly change your username with roll number. Okay, instead of your names, kindly update with your roll number. Roll number underscore name or at least roll number mandatory. Right, so this is regarding divisibility by 12 rule. Divisibility by 12. Got it, my dear friends? Excellent. See the next question. See the next question. This one. Yeah, what is the answer, my dear friends? See this question. What is the answer? Here, if you just check it out, we discussed the square root how to handle. If you just went through that videos what are we shared, so guys, what are the videos we are sharing, kindly go through that. We have definitely updates from that. Okay, the number of people in a row is equal to number of rows in a playground. If total number of people in the playground is 19,044, find number of rows. So guys, suppose number of people in a row, let it be equal to n. Number of people in a row equal to n, and that is nothing but equal to number of rows as well. So guys, kindly please be in mute mode. Let us consider number of people in each row is n and number of rows also n. That's what we can understand from the given question. Number of people in a row is equal to number of rows in a playground. Both are equal. Now total number of people, n rows, n people, right? Suppose if you have 5 rows and 5 people in each, it's nothing but 5 square. If you have 5 rows and 5 people in each row, what is the total count is 5 into 5, 5 square. Like that, n rows, n people in each row, we got n square. N square is 19,044. N is nothing but square root of this. So guys, in previous videos, what are links I shared you in the group, we given a shortcut for you to find square root actually. Again, I just want to give you the inputs here. See, 2 square is ending with 4. 2 square. 2 square is ending with 4. 8 square also ending with 4. 2 square and 8 square is ending with 4. Okay. Here square root of 19,044 here ending with 4 is there. Means when you do square root, here 4 is the internal, means when you do square root, the result may end with 2 or the result may end with 8. When you perform square root for this 19,044, imagine where calculator is not allowed and how to handle these calculations. We already given you the inputs regarding how to apply square roots and all. Now when you do square root for 19,044, this should end with 8 or this should end with 2. Why sir? 2 square is ending with 4, 8 square is ending with 4. So it may end with 2 or 8. But when you go through the options, my dear friends, all are ending with 8. So easy for you. So ending with 2 eliminated. You can utilize the options also. All are ending with 8. Fine. And I decided one number means inside square root, 2 numbers can be eliminated. When you decided one number మనం ఫైనలైజ్ చేసామంటే స్క్వేర్ రూట్ లోపల 2 digits ని మనం రిమూవ్ చేసేయచ్చు. That 2 digits can be removed. Now 190 is there. Okay, square root of 190. Now listen, 190 is between 13 square and 14 square. 13 square is 169. 14 square is 196. 190 is between 13 square and 14 square. See this. Okay, but always we should take the lesser value, means 13 we have to go. 138 is the answer, my dear friends. Without calculator, how to handle square root and cube root. This is the example related to square root, my dear friends. square root of 19,044. Okay, for 44, as it is ending with 4, the answer may end with 2 or 8. We can eliminate these two digits. But why eliminated 2 here is as per the options. There is other method also, but as per options, all are ending with 8. I can remove ending with 2. Right. Then, okay, 13. Likewise, you can go ahead. Or else, the other trick to check this type of questions, if you don't know square root also, my dear friends, 130 square is 16,900. 140 square is 19,600. In question, 19,044 is there. That is less than 140 square, so close to that. Listen, this trick also you can apply. 130 square is 16,900, so this is more than 130. When I do square root, it should be more than 130. 140 square is 19,600. This is 19,044. You should get less than 140. If you check the options, which is more than 130 and less than 140, you have only option B. There are n number of methods to successfully solve the question, my dear friends. First question is regarding divisibility for 12. It's internally divide by 3 and divide by 4. Second question is regarding square root. Okay, I shared you two video links already. One is regarding speed mass, where you are trying to calculate square root, cube root tricks, is there at the end of that session. And next video is regarding number systems, where we given you the inputs regarding divisibility and a lot of other things as well. Now, see this third question, my dear friends. I'll wait for a couple of minutes. Okay, let me check how many of you can crack this third question. Good question, this is. I'll wait for your response, my dear friends. Yeah, what about this one? Here, if you just go to this question, my dear friends, read the entire data properly. Such a good question. A rich merchant, a rich businessman, had collected many gold coins. He did not want anybody to know about him. Okay, about that, how many it is there. Okay, know about him. One day, his wife asked, "How many gold coins do you have?" Okay, passing a moment, he replied, "If I divide coins into two unequal numbers, then say they divide into two unequal numbers, then 48 times the difference between those two numbers is equal to difference between squares of the two numbers." The wife looked puzzled and she didn't get the answer. You have to help merchant's wife to find how many gold coins that merchant is having. So guys, help the merchant wife. How many gold coins is there? You can use the chat box, my dear friend. Chat box. I'm just texting you. Okay, post your answers in chat box. Post your answers here. I just texted you. You can post your answers in the chat box. Help that merchant wife. What is the total number of coins that merchant is having? Yes. If I divide the coins into two unequal numbers, then 48 times the difference between the two numbers equals to square of the difference of the square of the two numbers. The wife looked puzzled. Okay, now can you help that merchant's wife? So guys, respond 579 Likita, 209 Madhushree, 232. So those who are in the session, kindly try. Dikshit, Vaishnavi, Ignish, Jatin, Sai, Nitin, Vaishnav, Vijay Lakshmi. Some few people not yet named. Rename. Please rename yourself with the roll number. Balakrishnan, Tanmay Reddy, Shivashashan. Rename with your roll number, please. Yeah, post your answers here, my dear friends. What's the answer? Good question, actually. Okay, see, What are the number of gold coins it is having? What are the total that person is having? Divide into two unequal numbers x and y. None of this, Meghana. Excellent. What's the correct answer? Meghana, excellent. What is the correct answer? Good. Superb. Your answer is correct. None of this, but fine. What is the exact value? Remaining also, yes, none of this is okay. But post your answers, my dear friends. What is the exact answer you got? They mentioned 48 times difference between the two numbers is equal to difference between the squares. Difference between x square and y square, my dear friends. So here, x square minus y square can be written as x minus y into x plus y. Okay, now if you calculate this, we got x plus y is nothing but equal to 48, my dear friends. Total number of coins, okay, that this x plus y is the total. The merchant, how many total number of coins is there? He divide into two unequal numbers x and y. So what is the total number of coins that merchant is having? Is nothing but 48, my dear friends. Excellent, Meghana. Good, appreciating your efforts. Now to the next question, my dear friends. This is a very basic question. Okay, so let me see how many of you can answer this question. Everyone, please read the question and try from your end. Don't just join in the session and be ideal. Okay, you have to try from your end, my dear friends. What is the answer you have to get? See this. Anita had to do a multiplication instead of taking 25 as one of the multipliers. See, this is what we have to. Yes, excellent, my dear friend. Now, what is the new product? New product options also the new product. See, initially there is a number. Okay, you are multiplying with a n 35. A number is multiplied with 35, but instead of that you multiplied with 53. You should multiply with 35, but instead of that you multiplied with 53. Because of this, the product is added by increased by 540. So the product is increased by 540. Here, how much amount increased, my dear friends? Product is increased by 540. How much it is increased is 18. 18n is nothing but equal to 540. N is nothing but equal to 30. This is new product. They're asking about new product. New product is nothing but equal to 53n. So 53 into 30, my dear friends, which is nothing but 1590. The new product is nothing but 1590. See this. Anita had to do a multiplication instead of taking 35 as one of the multipliers. She took 53. As a result, the product went up by 540. So the product is increased by 540. So 35, okay, initial one, now it is become 53. How much increase is 540? And it is increased by 18n. So guys, I hope everybody is noting down the questions. It's important, okay, because if you want to recall anything in future, you must and should require notes, my dear friends. I hope, okay, you people are noting down everything. N is nothing but 30, my dear friends. Got it. Previous puzzle is good question. Now this is a basic one. New product is nothing but 1590. Let's go for the next question, my dear friends. So guys, kindly be active. Okay, expecting everyone to respond. Okay, don't put your mobiles aside after joining and watching the movies. Instead of that, no, don't join. Okay, so kindly be active in the session. Post your answers in the chat box. Now, see this question, my dear friends. good update you have in the fifth question. I'll just give time for you. Just think about this question. Work on this one, my dear friends. Kindly work on this. Three friends returning from a movie stopped to eat at a restaurant. Okay, fine. After dinner, okay, stopped to eat at a restaurant. After dinner, they paid their bill and noticed a bowl of mints at the front counter. There is some mints is there, right? Sita took one third of the mints available, but returned four due to guilty. Due to guilty, she returned four. Then Fatima took one fourth of what was left, but returned three due to again for similar reason guilty. Ishwari took half of the remainder, one fourth of left, and returned two back into the bowl. The bowl had only 17 minutes left when the ride was over. So all these three people, once they completed, finally they left with 17. Now question is how many mints were originally in the bowl? My dear students, see this question, such a good question. In fact, this question is given in a lot of competitive exams. Okay, with good weightage around 2 marks also in GATE exam, they're given this question. See this, my dear friends. Three friends went to a movie. Okay, after returning, they went to a restaurant. They're done with the dinner. They paid the bill. Okay, while moving out, they find out there is a bowl of mints. Okay, bowl which is having mints in a front counter, and these people are taking from that. Okay, so here, yes, first Sita took one third of the mints, but due to guilty, she returned four. And Fatima took one fourth of what was left and returned three to the bowl. And finally, Fatia, one of Ishwari taken half of the remainder, but throw back two into the bowl. So like this, finally 17 was left. My difference, the question is now, how many was there initially? Initially, how many is there? Right? So let's see about this question. Yeah. So guys, if you just go through this, see that the original approach is like total means is x. Let us consider total means is nothing but equal to x. One third of is taken by Sita. Due to guilty, she returned four, sir. One third taken means two by third is available, and four written means four added here, sir. Then Fatima took one fourth of this. Fatima took one fourth of this and returned three to the bowl, sir. So definitely here, three fourth of this is available and three added for that, sir. Yeah, one fourth gone means three fourth is available. Then finally, Ishwari took half of this. Ishwari took half of this and returned two to the bowl. So finally, if we check, this is left means 17. How much left is 17? See, this much complicated equation not required, my dear friends. See, what we can do, very simple logic is number of chocolates you taken from the bowl. You taken chocolates from the bowl. Number of chocolates you taken must be integer, right? Number of mints. Number of mints always you taken must be an integer. Who taken the mints first? Sita took one third of the total. So total must be divided by 3. 38 is not divided by 3. 31 is not divided by 3. 41 is not divided by 3. 48 is your answer. See, no need of that complicated equations. Answer is 48, my dear friends. Total must be divided by 3. Why, sir? You need integer. మనకి integer రావాలన్నా. We are taking the mints from the bowl, right? So it should be an integer. Sita took one third of the mints. See the procedure now. Maybe you can understand things better here. Suppose, yeah, I taken total is nothing but equal to 48, my dear friends. Let us consider total is nothing but equal to 48. Now, Sita took 1/3 of that, means 16. Written 4 means Sita taken only 12. 36 is available here. Now Fatima took 1/4 of this and returned 3. Means Fatima took only 6. 1/4 of 36 is nothing but 9, but returned 3 due to guilty. If boys is there, no guilty for us, right? We'll take all. Fine. Now here, 30 available. Ishwari took half of this and returned 2 to the bowl. Returned 2. So Ishwari taken 13. 17 left. That's what they mentioned. 17 means left. If initially 48 is there, then finally 17 was left. So guys are understanding this. Check it out this one. Okay, so finally we left with 17. If it is initially 48, so total should be divided by 3. Total should be divided by 3. Okay, 1/3 of the toffees they taken. Right, excellent question to get update here, my dear friends. The next question, hope you are done with this. Such a good puzzle type question, I can say this is. Now see this next question, very easy one, my dear friends. Solve this one. Solve the sixth question, very generic and very easy question this is. See this one, my dear friends. Go to this question. Hey, everyone try this one. This is also a very basic question actually. Instead of paisa, I'll just put this is in rupees. Nowadays, this cannot be obtained for rupees also. Is just convert this into rupees, my dear friends. I'm just converting this in terms of rupees. Okay, don't consider this as a paisa. Okay, consider it's like a rupees. Solve the question, my dear friends. Very basic equation related question. See, today I am going through a session with all basic questions. Okay, some of your friends okay are in other session. So to benefit you people and to benefit them as well, we're discussing some basic questions now. And definitely yeah, as for previous questions, if you just see, we have an update for sure, right? Yes, now I just updated that in terms of rupees. Yeah, fine. Few people are solving. Good to see that. Remaining also kindly respond with your answers. 719, 78, they've given the answers. Remaining also kindly check it out. Post your answers, my dear friends. 9 oranges cost as much as 5 apples. 9 oranges cost is equal to 5 apples. 5 apples cost as much as 3 mangoes. 4 mangoes cost is equal to 9 lemons. In question, 3 lemons cost is 48 rupees. Okay, 1 lemon is nothing but 16. Now 4 mangoes is equal to 9 lemons. We can calculate 1 mango is nothing but 36 rupees. 1 lemon cost is 16. 1 mango cost is 36 rupees. Now here 9 oranges cost is equal to 3 mangoes. From that 3 oranges cost equal to 1 mango. Okay, 1 mango cost is 36 rupees. From this 1 orange cost is nothing but equal to 12 rupees. So guys, 1 orange cost is 12 rupees for us. Yeah, Madhushri, your answer is correct. Good. 738, your answer is correct. 719, check it out. Okay, so next onwards, kindly have some rough paper, work on it. Hope you're noting down all these question inputs as well. Right, so 9 oranges cost is equal to 5 apples. 5 apples cost is equal to 3 mangoes. Okay, we should calculate what is the price of an orange. Clear? Now see this question, my dear friends. When 4 power 157 multiplied with 7 power 113, what is the digit in the least significant place? Means units place. They're asking units place, my dear friends. What is there in the units place? For 4 power 157 and 7 power 113, what is there in the units place? Units place, my dear friends, check it out once. See, if you just recall the videos what are shared regarding number system video link is already shared. I hope everybody went through that. Or if not, please go to that video. Then you can understand how to do units places. See, for 4, 4 power 1 is 4. 4 square is 16, ending with 6. Units place is 6. You can respond with your answers in the chat box, my dear friends. 4 cube 64, ending with 4. Units place. 4 power 4 is nothing but 4 square into 4 square. 16 into 16 ending with 6 only. This is also. Listen, if you analyze here, 4 power odd number is ending with 4. If you analyze both of this, 4 power odd number ending with 4, 4 power even number is ending with 6. Observe here powers. 4 power odd number, 1 and 3 are odd numbers, the result is 4. 2 and 4 are even numbers, the result is 6. So here odd number, okay, here even numbers. 4 square, 4 power 4, we have a even number here. 4 power 1, 4 cube is a odd number, so ending with 4. So here 4 into, now 7 power 113, my dear friends, right? For seven, cyclicity is 4. 2, 3, 7, 8 is having cyclicity 4. Cyclicity 4 means what you should do. If you just go to that videos, my dear friends, what I shared already, you should divide power with 4. That to last two digits is sufficient for divisibility by 4. So if you take last two digits in the power 13, divide by 4, we got one remainder. One remainder means we should write this as 7 power 1. 4 into 7 power 1, which is 28. Units place is 8, my dear friends. 28, okay. Units place is 8. 4 into 7, 28. Units place is nothing but 8. Option C, my dear friends. Units place is 8. 4 power 157. Okay, 4. 7 power 113. 7 like that. Okay, because this is, yes, power should be divided by 4. When power is divided by 4, divisibility by 4 rule is last two digits only. Okay, then take last two digits, divide by 4. Remainder 1 means 7 power 1. Remainder 2 means 7 square, like that we have to write. Remainder 3 means 7 cube, like that we have to mention. Okay, divide the power with 4, depends on remainder 1, 2, 3. Change the power, my dear friends. Now see this question, expecting everyone to solve this one. So guys, solve this question. 2171 power 7, 172 power 9, 2173 power 11, 2174 power 13. The last digit for that you have to calculate. What is the last digit for this? We have to calculate. Right? 1 power 7, units place, last digit 1 power 7, 2 power 9, 3 power 11, 4 power 13. Just now we discussed 4 power odd number divided by 4. Okay, 4 power odd number is ending with 4. 4. 1 power anything is nothing but 1. 1 power 7. 1 power anything is generally ending with 1. So guys, I mentioned 2378 is having cyclicity 4. What you should do when it is cyclicity 4? We should divide power with the 4. Power here is 9. When you divide with 4, 4 twos are 8, 1 remainder. That remainder we have to mention in the power. Next one, here 11, my dear friends. 11 power again should be divided by 4. 4 twos are 8s are remainder 3. Here put that remainder 3 here. So when you do this one, my dear friends, 1 plus 2 power 1 is 2. 3 cube 27, units place is 7. 4 power, this, yeah, ending with 4. So guys, this is total 14. Units place is nothing but 4. Total you got 14, units place is 4. So is this clear? Shiva Seshank, Lokesh, Bhavya, Trimla, Meghna, hope you are understanding this one. Shoyab, Nitin, Vaishnav, Jatin, Pricey, Srikant.
Yes, sir.
Fine, good,
I can understand.
good. So guys, we already given you the inputs regarding how to handle this units place. If you are not yet done with the video, kindly go through that video. Number systems topic. Okay, very, very important topic for all competitive exams. Okay, not only placements, if you want to go for any other government sector job also, that's very important. Concept is same for all competitive exams. Don't worry more about the concept. You have to focus more on the examples, my dear friends. Now see this question, ninth one. Number of prime factors. Number of prime factors. So guys, okay, in that video itself, I've given you regarding factors, how to find number of factors, how to find number of prime factors also. If you want to find number of prime factors, my dear friends, given number must be, let me wait for your answer. Okay, how many of you can solve this question? And then I'll start my discussion. Number of prime factors, my dear friends. What's your answer? How to calculate number of prime factors? Meghana, superb. Remaining, respond with your answers. One of your friend given the correct answer. 6 power 10, 7 power 17, 11 power 27. See this, 6 power 10 is nothing but 2 power 10 into 3 power 10. 7 power 17, 11 power 27. Right. Now here, first we should write all this as prime number power. 6 is not prime number. So we should write as prime numbers power. If you want to decide number of factors or number of prime factors, prime numbers power we should mention given number as. Okay, this is now 2 power 10, 3 power 10, 7 power 17, 11 power 27. Now number of prime factors if you want to calculate, add the powers, my dear friends. If you want to calculate number of prime factors, add the powers. 10 plus 10 plus 17 plus 27, you will get 64, my dear friends. If you want to calculate number of prime factors, add all these powers. Okay, powers is now 10, 10, 17 and 27, altogether 64. Okay, number of prime factors is 64. How many prime numbers involved? How many times prime numbers involved? Two prime number is there for 10 times this number. That number is some value, right? If you expand all. Okay, 3 is there 10 times, 7 is there 17 times, 11 is there 27 times. Number of prime factor means how many times that prime number occurred in that. Okay. Now next question, number of prime factors you have to calculate, my dear friends. So guys, solve this question, you have to calculate number of prime factors. So number of factors on both. You calculate number of factors as well as number of prime factors, both. Given number is 1800. I'll give time for you. Please work on this. Let me know two things. Number of factors for this given number or number of prime factors. Number of factors or number of prime factors, my friends. Calculate number of factors or number of prime factors for 1800. Yes, try this one. Everyone, please try this question. Okay, and post your answers in chat box. We have a chat box. You can respond with your answers in the chat box. Kindly solve, everyone. Number of prime factors is 7 Meghana. Okay. What about number of factors? So guys, if you want to calculate number of factors, write this as prime number power. I just given time for you people to work on this. Okay, first you have to write this as prime number power. So 18, 100 I'm writing as 18 into 100. 18 is not prime number. I'm writing as 2 into 9. 100 as 4 into 25. One, yeah. 100 as 4 into 25. Fine. Now here 2 into 4, 8, 2 cube. I can write this number is now 2 cube, 3 square and 5 square, my dear friends. If you want to calculate number of prime factors, just adding that power, how many times this 2 prime number occurred 3 times, the prime number 3 occurred 2 times, the prime number 5 occurred 2 times, so total 7, my dear friends. Whereas here number of factors is add 1 to the power and then multiply, which is nothing but 4 into 3 into 3, which is 36, my dear friends. Number of factors, if you want to calculate for any number, we should add 1 to the power, okay, and then multiply. That will give number of factors, my dear friends. So guys, are you getting the idea how to handle this? Number of factors, okay, if number is like a power m, b power n, c power p, and so on like that, number of factors or divisors should be like m plus 1 into n plus 1 into p plus 1 and so on. M plus 1, p plus 1, n plus 1 and so on. But a, b, c, these numbers must be prime number. Don't just like write, okay, as it is, we should maintain that as a prime numbers. Write given numbers as prime numbers. Okay. So guys, any student from triple E department, electrical and electronics? I think no one in the session related to triple E. Fine. So hope you understand what we are doing here. Okay. So this is how you should handle number of factors. Okay. See number of prime factors. Prime factors, factors. Fine. I'll give one more example. I'll wait for your answers to next question regarding factors, my dear friends. See, number is 8 factorial. Find number of factors for 8 factorial. Find number of factors for 8 factorial, my dear friends. I've given you the input just now. How to find number of factors is write given number as prime number power and then add 1 to the power and multiply. Okay, we just given you the input how to handle number of factors also. You just try this question. I'll wait for your response, my dear friends. Guys, kindly solve this question, waiting for your answers. Write given number as prime number power. Yes, here, if you just go to this question, my dear friends, few of your friends already responded in the chat box. Meghana, good 738 responded. So guys, first what we should do, we should write given number as prime number power, right? So 8 factorial is 8 into 7 into 6 into. This is easy actually, don't worry. Don't write this 8 factorial is 40,327. Don't write like that. That's waste of your energy and time. If you write like this, you write 8 factorial as 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Here prime numbers 2 cube. Okay, this is 2 cube, 7, 6 has 2 into 3, 5 as it is, 4 as 2 square, this is 3 into 2. Alright, now if you just convert here, all prime number power you mentioned, 2 solves should be at one place, okay, 3 solves should be at one place. If it is at different place also, we have to combine at 1. So 3, 4, 6 and 7, if I am not wrong, we have 2 power 7 here, right? Then 3 square, 5 power 1, 7 power 1. Number of factors is nothing but add 1 to the power. Already power is 7. Add 1 to that and then multiply. Add 1 to the power and then multiply, my difference. We got 96. Number of factors. Whereas number of prime factors is, for the same question, number of prime factors is nothing but 11. Number of prime factors is adding all the powers, we got 11, my dear friends. Got it? So this is how you should handle number of factors and number of prime factors. For both, you should write given number as prime number power. Got it? Right? Excellent. Now, so guys, next question is like, okay, 21345A 72 is divisible by 9, is divisible by 9. Find a value. Guys, can anyone find the a value here? That number is divisible by 9. What is divisibility by 9 rule? Divisibility by 9 rule. They given that number is divisible by 9 already. You should find a value here. Apply divisibility rule and find what is the value of a, my dear friends. Yes, waiting for your answers. What should be the value of a? Yeah, 245, 704, 708. Madhushri, it's not divisible by 3. Divisible by 9, sum of digits should be divided by 9, madam. Madhushri, that's why kindly go to the videos whatever we shared for you already. For divisible by 9, the rule is sum of digits must be divided by 9. Meghana, excellent. Sum of digits, if you just go ahead, 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 6, 24, 24 plus A. Srikanth, check once. 24 plus A, you should divide by 9. Divide by 9. This should be divided by 9. Means A value must be equal to 3. Nitin, excellent. A value must be equal to 3 so that this is divided by 9, divisible by 9. Okay, such a big number it is actually, right? Okay, 2 crores 13 lakhs 45,000 A72. Okay, A is in hundreds place. A value you have to calculate, so it should be divided by 9 means sum of digits should be divided by 9. Right. Excellent, my dear friend. Now see the other question. The other question. Same thing. I'll just do small modification. The previous question. 2 crores 13 lakhs 45,000 A72 is divisible by 8. Is divisible by 8. Find maximum value of A. Find largest value of A. Find the largest value of A. Find the largest, not smallest, now largest. What is the largest value of A? So guys, divide by 9 finished. Now divided by 8. This number is divided by 8. What is divisible by 8 rule? What is divisible by 8 rule? 8 is 2 cubes, sir. 8 is 2 cube. So a number divided by 8 or not, if you want to check, means we have to see last 3 digits. We have to check last 3 digits in the given number, my dear friends. So yes, everyone try this one. Divide by it, last 3 digits we have to check. One more question to end the session, my dear friends. Okay, Meghana, good. Excellent, my dear friends. Yes, your answer. Sir, A value 8. See, guys, same question. They can ask you for minimum as well. What is the A value minimum? This is a first question. Consider this is like a first question where they're asking biggest value of A. Second one, they may ask you find the smallest value of A also. The same thing, they'll ask you find the smallest value of A. Find the biggest value of A and find the smallest value of A. See, last 3 is A72. It is divided by 8 means, okay, we have to try here. Maximum value means 972. 972 is divided by 8. No, not divisible. Whereas 872, next maximum value is 8. 872 is divided by 8. Yes, 8 109 times. So A value must be equal to 8, maximum value. Now what is the minimum value? A minimum value, smallest value of A. Again, A72 only, smallest value now. It should be divided by 8. Smallest value of A should be what? Srikanth, not correct answer. Check once. Remaining, what is the minimum value of A satisfying this divisible? This number is divided by 8. Divisible by 8, my dear friends. Minimum value of A. Megan, excellent. 0. Minimum value we should start with 0. 0.72 is divided by 8 9 times. So A minimum is 0. So guys, same question. What is the maximum value divisible that of A so that it should be divisible by 8 is nothing but 8, whereas minimum value is 0. A max is nothing but 8. A minimum is nothing but 0. What is the maximum value? What is the minimum value? Satisfying A there is nothing but 8 and 0, my dear friends. Got it? Fine. One more question will end the session, my dear friends. See, already in this today's session, we discussed the example regarding divisibility. Yeah, we discussed around 3 examples. Divisibility, factors related discussion, some basic puzzles we discussed, and we discussed regarding units place. Question related to units place. Right. Now I'll give one more example. Let's work on this one. These are the last question for today's session, my dear friends. Let's work on this question. Everybody try from your end. Find last digit in 126 power 179 plus 725 power 321 plus 423 power 159. So you have to find last digit in all this one, my dear friends. Okay, I want final answer here. I'll just put here multiplication between, okay, so that you have a scope to learn something. See, by default, when you have multiple operations, we should apply that both mass rule. Multiplication first, then addition will come into picture. Whenever you have to do multiple operations, okay, you have to follow both mass rule. No need to mention that. Here, my dear friends, if you just recall 6 power, guys, you can respond with your answers in the chat box. 6 power 1 is 6. 6 square 36 ending with 6. 6 cube 216 ending with 6. All these are ending with 6, my dear friends. Right, so here 6 only. 6 126 power 179 is ending with 6. 738, your answer should be only one number. Units place should be only one number, right? Then multiplied with 9. Okay, here 5. 5 power 1 is ending. Srikanth, your answer should be only single digit. Don't give two numbers. That's what I am answering. Units place means only one number, right? Almost you are close. 738 now. Okay, fine. 5 power 1 is 5. 5 square 25 units place is 5. 5 cube 125 units place is 5. 6 into 5. Whereas for 3, guys, I think you just checked out your answers. Srikanth, not correct answer. 738, not correct answer. Check once. Meghana, your answer is correct. It's not like writing 6, 5, and 3. Power is there, right? This is 6 power 179, 5 power 321, 3 power 159. 6 power anything is ending with 6, 5 power anything is ending with 5. For 3, you should analyze. We know 3 is having cyclicity 4. Cyclicity 4 means power should be divided by 4. So power divided by 4 means last to 2 digits sufficient, 59. When you divide with 4, for 14 is 56, we have 3 remainder. 3 remainder. So we should put that 3 here. 3 power 3, 27. So 6 into 5, 30, 0. Lokesh, see this. 6 into 5, 30. 0 is the units place. 3 power 3 is 27. Units place is 7. 7 is the answer, my dear friend. Why you got 2 and 3 into the picture, 33 all? It's not like multiplying the units place. We have power also. I'm not asking you if suppose your answer 3 correct. If I'm asking 126 into 725 into some What is this number here? 423. If I ask this one, it's different. Plus 423. If I asking this, yeah, then it's different. Sir, here units place is 6. Here units place 5. Here units place 3. 30 means units place 0. Then 3. It's 3, sir. This is normal one. But I'm giving some power, right? This is different. Find units place in this is different from next one. Find units place in 126 into 725 plus 423. Okay, so this is different, my dear friends. 6 into 5. Here units place 3. But here power is there. Some power is there. Those who responded with 33 kindly understand. Power is there. 6 power anything, 6 5 power anything, 5. But 3, 2, 3, 7, 8 is having cyclicity 4. So I think those who answered, you are not yet done with the YouTube session link, whatever you shared. So kindly go through that, learn from that, my dear friends. Okay. So guys, we are closing the session today. So if any doubts, please let me know. You can unmute and you can ask. Thanks for attending the session. Okay, so few people are there from the word go to up to the end. Appreciating you. Okay, if you have any doubts, kindly respond, my dear friends. Yes.